Oh boy, here we go. It's not too bad actually. That undertow is unreal. Holy crap. Thanksgiving weekend and I'm swimming. Oh boy. Oh geez. That one hurt. That was the best swim for me of the entire summer, and it's October. Thanksgiving weekend of October. Oh, that was amazing. Those waves were killer. The one, I think my back's cut, but it's worth it. It was a lot of fun. That's the last swim for the season, and we'll be back next year. I'm gonna go start swimming at Rockpoint from now on. Their beach, they're nice. There's no rocks going into the water. It's nice, it's just clay. I'm sure there's sand parts too. But it's a lot nicer than the beach part we always go to. But that will do it for Sandy Shore summer of 2021. And I hope all these videos and the footage we've gotten have showed how much fun this summer was for everyone. So take care, guys. Summer 2022, we're coming after you.